Good morning, homies. Today we're going to be doing Sheriff's Trail in Tuscarora State Forest. Before we get started, I just want to give a shout out to Twisty. He was the one that let me know that the notifications were broken on the channel. So if you are already subbed and you want notifications, you're going to have to unsub, resub, and then turn the notifications on all. If you're interested in Call of Duty videos, and he recently started doing Apex videos, please go check out his channel. I'll leave a link in the description for that. Again, thank you, Twisty, for letting me know. And now that I'm off my soapbox, let's get to it.
That's cold. No, thank you.
So we're literally only like 0.1 into the trail, and there's no way across the water unless we walk across this tree right here. So let's hope I don't drop the camera.
I thought about just going down this way.
Yeah.
I don't know how far I can get.
Upon further investigation, we may have a rock bridge. What are you doing?
Nope. Can't do that.
NANI?!
There's no way.
Well, my shoes are wet. No, my shoes are wet. I don't give a f now. Does that look like a bear to you? Can anybody see that? Does that look like a bear?
Can you turn the camera back at yourself and say, does that look like an asshole to you?
Nice, I got that on camera. So we get to this clearing right here, and we go to set up the drone. Get it out of the backpack, get it on the landing pad over there, get it all set up, and all of a sudden, Haley says, I think I see a bear. And I'm like, oh shit, we gotta go. I don't see it, but we gotta go. So I start packing everything up, put it in the bag and whatnot, and I think I see a red shirt. So I yell, hello, don't get a response. So I keep packing stuff up to get out of here. I kept yelling, like, try to get a response out of him, you know?
I look up.
Nothing.
I ran over to the drone to grab it. I look back up. I'm like, that's definitely a red shirt. It's
That's a person. So
it was a person.
yeah.
Better safe than sorry.
Huh?
Squishy.
Squishy.
No, now I'm money. No, I'm wet.
Oh God. Oh God.
I just stepped. Smacked down in mountain goat.
Huh?
Squishy. Well, I walked along here.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Mistakes were made.
Just put a house right here.
Yeah.
Yep. We gotta walk through all that to get to here. But you know what?
Hour and a half commute to work.
No work. We basically work would be make fun videos and survive.
Right here, huh?
Right here. Nice and shaded. You realize how cool it would be?
I guess I gotta.
You wouldn't need AC. You'd never be hot.
I guess I gotta start a Patreon.
Yeah. Guess what?
What?
No bridge.
We get wet again?
Jeep is. Look at that. You can go for the log route again. It looks like.
Jeep, come here. So this trail's a little bit more of a actual like hike and hoofing it than our previous ones, and we do not have the shoes for this type of thing. We are at yet another creek, and there's no bridge or anything like that, and yeah, I think we're done getting our feet wet, so we're just gonna turn back around and call it a day with this one. It's really gorgeous. We might actually end up doing it again in the future if we buy better shoes and whatnot, so look out for that one. Hey Haley,
Yeah.
you're trying to take a flower home.
Yeah. No, I'm trying to take a whole fern.
I just want it to be known that that water is ice cold.
Freezing. There, it unfocused.
No, that's good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, you're in focus.
Okay.
All right, homies. Wait. All right, homies, so that was Sheriff's Trail. We did about 1.5 miles. Unfortunately, we do not have the shoes for this kind of trail. So, lesson learned. We will be getting new ones. But this is definitely like one of the most scenic trails that we've ever done. The amount of like mushrooms and moss and just the sounds of the creek.
Yeah. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Probably the happiest the dogs have ever been. They got to be off leash all trail. They're loving life. So were we.
Thanks for chilling.
Stay tuned. Thanks for chilling.
Wait. Thanks for chilling. Wait, do it at the same time. Like 1, 2, 3. Thanks for chilling.
Yeah, okay. You
So
good?
not on 3, after 3.
Yep.
Like after it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for chilling. Oh, you're supposed to say thanks for chilling too.
Oh, I didn't know. Okay.
Oh.
I didn't know. Ready? Go ahead. Do it again.
All right. Are you sure?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Thanks for chilling.